I think the whole point of make them notice you is just one line. But for me, what I feel is that we actually trade our self-worth or self-respect or self-love, which is completely different from your image that is formed through external validation, right? We trade that, and now we connect our identity to this image that is created by other people's opinions of you. It's not even you. It's somebody who's telling you this is who you are, and you connect your identity to that image. You start comparing yourself to other people, start hating yourself, and then project that hate onto other people. So that's why all this toxic hate that is going on. I don't think social media is the problem. I think our conformity to social media is the problem. How we approach social media is the problem. It can be an amazing platform to express your creativity, to express, different shades of you, to connect with people, but it's become this strange place where all you lose your humanity, lose your soul, just to get this thing that is not even real. What is likes? Like, what is it? Like, what? It's a statistic. Like, what? You turn people into statistics. इसमें engagement मिल रही, भाई ये करते कोई, मतलब you lose your morality, you're gone, you're done. And I'm saying a sense of morality doesn't have anything to do with ethics, doesn't have anything to do with religion, nothing. It's just your own sense of morality कि आपको क्या लगता है सही है और आपको क्या लगता है गलत है, जो आपका दिल कहता है. अगर आप उसको खो दो तो आप कौन हो?
That is definitely one of the interesting point of views I have come across.
मुझे एक तरीके से देखा है, तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि सिर्फ वही रंग है ना मेरे अंदर बहुत रंग है, उसको मैं अपने काम के थ्रू दिखाऊंगा, ये एक और रंग है. बट टू डिनाई कि मेरे अंदर ये है ही नहीं, आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट स्टॉप्स you from growing.
Beautiful.
I think it's important to let yourself be aware ki there's a darkness inside me, there's this inside me, there's that inside me, but I choose not to be that. Wow. Instead of being like, I'm not that guy. I am pretentious, I am this, I am that, but I am greedy for validation, but I have to accept that to grow from that. Na bhai.
Everybody is, I guess. Validation means a lot. So, moving forward, I would like to ask ki real life Babil क्या केयर फ्री है या बहुत ज्यादा समझदार है, बहुत ज्यादा कॉशियस है?
हुआ करता था एक पॉइंट पे, फिर मतलब वो एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना सर कि आप जब इस इंडस्ट्री में आते हो तो you need a team, you need people that take care of things that you don't know how to take care of, like business. I have no idea, मेरे को business का कोई idea नहीं है, and you need a team that you can trust, and fortunately I have a very a team that understands me, so that I used to be, but now I have to play a little this strategy game. So there's always this back and forth, like it's a tennis game. Like, नहीं तुम करोगे, मैं बोला नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा, तुम करोगे, नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा.
Got it. Nice. So talking about Logout, जिसके लिए हम मिले हैं specifically, अमित गोलानी साहब has directed it, and उनके अगर पिछले कामों की बात की जाए, काला पानी and humorously yours, across the genres एक चीज common है उनके काम में, that
कोई फंस जाता है कहीं,
कोई फंस जाता है.
So, और उनको वो फॉलो करता है यार, काला पानी बनाया, वो विकास सर फंस गए वहाँ, उसके बाद कोविड आ गया, मैंने ये बनाई, मैं रूम में फंस गया, फिर मैं ट्रोल हो गया.
Exactly.
क्या हो रहा है?
So it's something about his projects, ना? So सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज क्या लगी आपको अमित के साथ काम करते वक्त?
Brother, his way of being light, no matter how intense the scene is, no matter how much pressure I'm taking, how, if there's a scene or a shot that I have to do 20 takes of very, I don't want to reveal or spoil anything, but very intense emotions, or very something that I have to deal with, way that is troubling me. He has a way of making me feel very light and happy and making me laugh instantly right after that.